saw yesterday, Sunday, which could be very helpful if you are a beginner and you're struggling with timing your jumps, and perhaps you're jumping far too high over the rope. So yesterday I was doing some calisthenics at a jungle gym in a park. I was doing pull-ups, push-ups, dips, that kind of thing on a jungle gym, and in the area there were several kids jumping rope, and one kid was teaching his friend how to jump rope, and he was doing something very interesting which I haven't seen before, which I can understand could be very helpful and why kids might do this. So let me share with you what this kid was doing. First, let me show you what adults do. When we're learning how to jump rope, we tend to stand straight in the normal jump rope position. So we're on the toes and balls of our feet, and we keep our body relatively straight, relatively upright, like so. But that can be difficult to learn how to time your jumps, and oftentimes people jump far too high off the ground and they do something called the double hop. But what this kid was doing was, he was teaching his friend this technique. He was staying on the toes and balls of his feet, and perhaps a lot of kids learn like this. So I want to share this with you. So rather than standing straight up, the kid was bending quite low down, and he was having the rope hit the ground quite far in front of his feet. And then he was dragging or pulling the rope before jumping over. And I can understand why this method works. When the rope hits quite far in front of your feet, you can actually see where the rope is, and as you're pulling it, it can help you better time your jumps and to see that you don't have to jump that high because the rope is actually on the ground. So it can help, I can understand why it might help learn how to hop over the rope, time your jumps, and to teach the habit of not jumping too high. So let me show you what this looks like. So I can see the rope hit the ground, I pull it, jump. On my toes and balls of my feet. So I can see the rope getting close to my feet, I know I have to jump. So if you're a beginner and you're struggling with timing your jumps, or double hop, maybe you're jumping over the rope and as soon as you land on the ground you jump again. This technique could be very helpful because you see the rope on the ground, you might have a better idea of when you need to jump, and when you land on the ground you can be patient, wait for the rope to come around, hit the ground again, and pull it. And don't be surprised if you try this move that you get a fantastic thigh workout. Notice when I was doing that, I was in a squat position. So if you do several of those repetitions, you might get a great burn in your thighs. So if you're trying to learn using that technique, maybe try a few repetitions, take a break, walk around a little bit, get back, and then try it again. So give that a try. Even if you're an advanced jump roper, as I was saying, you might get a fantastic thigh workout. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.